What's good, wealth builders? It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, Devon, put in work Burke. And today we're talking about my 6 ways to make money while you sleep. So let's go.
Say that I'm on my grind is an understatement. Don't think I'm thinking you can check my bank statement. I'm about my money, yeah, that's a basic. World domination is what I'm truly facing.
Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we talk about making more money, saving more money, building a better you and business. So without further ado, let's get to the topic on hand. My 6 ways to make money while you sleep. Okay, so in the 6 ways to make money while you sleep, we're going to talk about stocks, Amazon FBA, Shopify, YouTube, WordPress, and real estate. I'm going to give you a fairly easy explanation about each of the 6 ways to make money while you sleep. First, let's go over stocks. When the average person thinks about making money with stocks, they think about buying the stock and selling it for more money than they purchased the stock. So buying and selling. This actually is a great way to build your income in your sleep, only if you know when to actually sell the stock, which no one really always knows when to sell their stock. Now, a far more or less risky way to make money in your sleep with stocks is to buy dividend-paying stocks, okay? If you don't know what dividend-paying stocks are, they are stocks that pay you a percentage of quarterly earnings just for holding on to their stocks. The next one we're going to go over is Amazon FBA. This is very, very easy way to make money, okay? All you're going to do is basically send your products to Amazon for fulfillment. And they do all the picking and packing to send to your customers. They even provide customer service for these products. This definitely has some good and bad attributes to it, but at the end of the day, Amazon is a great way to make money in your sleep, okay? Because you're not really, you're not doing much but sending the product to Amazon and they fulfill it. That's why it's called Amazon FBA, fulfillment by Amazon. All right, next up, we have Shopify. Shopify is another great way to build a business that will help you make money while you sleep. After you build your Shopify site and get it all set up properly, then you will need to get traffic for it to make money in your sleep. You will not have a successful Shopify store unless you learn how to set up paid advertising. This gives you the ability to make money in your sleep that you've been looking for, okay? So you definitely gotta have the views on your site, okay? That's what we call traffic. Next up, YouTube. YouTube is the holy grail of passive income, in my opinion. You can use YouTube to make money from the ads while in your sleep and also sell almost anything under the sun. It's the ultimate triple threat when it comes to creating multiple streams of income while you sleep or do other things. It's been a blessing for my business and hundreds of others. If you want to learn more about building your YouTube empire, check out the Wealth Builder System. The link is in the description. All right. 5th on the list, we have WordPress. Now, WordPress is just as awesome as Shopify, but it's way easy to build a blog or e-commerce store. Either way, you can use this site to build a passive income business while you sleep. It doesn't restrict you to just building e-commerce sites like Shopify does. You can really use WordPress for almost anything your heart desires. Last but not least, let's talk about real estate. There is a plethora of ways to make money with real estate while you sleep, okay? You have buying and flipping for profit. You have buying and renting the property by paying a property management company to do all the heavy lifting, aka collecting the rent and fixing the property if there is anything wrong. You can invest in crowdfunded properties and make passive income. I personally love the crowdfunded way to invest. I recommend you do your research before investing in anything though. There are definitely other ways to make money in your sleep. Just do your research like I said before, okay? Thanks for watching. It's the man, it's the myth, the wealth builder himself, signing up for my 6 ways to make money while you sleep. Do remember, wealth builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace. It's the wealth builders, baby.